Hi friends, I'm Anju. I'm going to the salon and I'm driving. On my way I said today I'm going to do a vlog. So this is my little kiddo and she's hungry. And while going I want to buy some for her Starbucks, right? Do you brought the money? See? She just want to use my money, that's it. Right? Okay. So let's go to, I'm driving and I want to show you, and this is the road I'm driving to go to my salon. And okay friends, so we moved to the Starbucks, and when I reach there I'm going to shoot more. I'll let you know what we are going to buy there. Okay friends, so we are here and this is a Starbucks and we are going to drive through. So we're going to order here. Let's see what Alice wants to eat. Hi. Yeah. Go ahead. Tell him what you want.
What can I get you?
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Can I get a chocolate croissant?
Chocolate croissant?
Yeah. Can I also get a chocolate cake pop? Can we get one white chocolate mocha?
I'm sorry?
Hot white
Can we
chocolate
get
mocha.
one hot white chocolate mocha?
Okay, what size?
What size?
Small size, sir, please.
Alright. Anything else?
Yes, and give her one sausage, bacon. No, you don't. Bacon sausage. Yeah, croissant. Croissant is enough for you to eat food.
Can I get two?
Yeah, okay, take two.
Can I have another chocolate croissant?
Okay, chocolate croissant. Anything else?
No, that's it, sir.
Alright,
Thank
so
you.
I have 2 chocolate croissants, chocolate cake pop, a double chocolate chip frappuccino, and a tall white hot mocha.
Okay,
Alright, $22.65.
thank you.
Thank you.
We forgot to take our drinks, so
No, just go around and your hot Thai white chocolate mocha drink. Here you go.
thank you.
It's hot.
Okay.
I'm just waiting for my drink.
Okay.
Bring this with me. I'm waiting for it right there. So, yeah. I give you a tour.
We are on traffic, and you can see the sky. Oh my God, so beautiful! It's look like the weather is also good today.
One of those fiction movies.
Weather is very good today, and you can see nice sky. Okay friends, we are already, you can see this is the river stone signal. We on highway 6. We already reached to our salon, and you can see, and I'm taking a turn here, and that's my salon, Anjel Salon and Spa. Can you see that? Yeah, yo, 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 yo. That's my salon, yo. This is my salon. Hi friends, welcome to my salon, and my daughter is ready to go inside. My shift going to start and my employee shift going to be closed, so she will go home and I will stay here to work. This is my eyebrow station. I have 2 hair station. This is my makeup station, this is my nail station, and this is a pedicure chairs. That's my employee, and this is the hair wash ball. There is a room for wax. One side room is brush room, and second one is staff room. I have a washing dryer new, and everything is new here. And the side way we have 2 facial rooms. So this is my wax room, and the other side is facial room. I'm already finished. By 7 o'clock we close the salon. We are going home now. Actually we are going CC classes to the church, and we are a little late, but we will go. And I locked the door. I'm going to drop my one employee to her house way, and they opened me a car door and kept this my Anjel Salon Spa. And okay, I will show you how to start a car. It's just a button, just press it, the gears, and it's ready to go. That's my. So we are ready to go now. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.